Hello my cookies. Today I'm going to show you how I make these cute little chocolate covered strawberry sweethearts. Let's do it. Of course we're going to need some strawberries. I have rinsed these and pat them dry really well with paper towels. And now we're going to cut off the stem, being very careful to only cut the stem off. You don't want to cut the tops of the strawberries because it will mess up the shape of our hearts. And then we just slice them down the center. I'm going to use a toothpick to combine the two halves. Just push it through there and leave a little bit of the toothpick exposed so that you can use it as a handle. Then place the strawberries on paper towels and carefully pat them dry. Again, if they're not dry, then the chocolate won't stick, okay? So speaking of chocolate, use whatever flavor color you would like. I'm using chocolate melts and I'm just going to melt them according to the directions on the back of the package. Now I'm going to spoon the chocolate over the strawberries, just using my little handle we created, and make sure that we coat the strawberry really well. When that's done, place it on some waxed paper. Okay, the hearts are looking a little bit like a booty, but that's all right. We're going to decorate them, so I'm just drizzling some chocolate on using a fork. You can decorate them however you'd like. When that's done, I'm going to pop these guys in the refrigerator for 20 minutes so that they can set. After that 20 minutes, you can go ahead and take out the toothpicks and cookies. You will have these cute little chocolate covered strawberry sweethearts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Be sure to try these out with the kids. They will really enjoy making them. Look who's back. He's my Valentine, so I guess it's okay if he steals. Until next time, be blessed.